Hello everyone, this is Twiggy. So in today's episode, I'm going to show you how you can customize your own tumbler right here. So we've done some survey on our Facebook group and find out a lot of users want to know how to engrave a tumbler. So here's what you need. We need our M1 machine, riser base, tumbler, measuring tape, RA2 Pro, and our laptop. So before making, we need to use a measuring tape to measure the perimeter of our tumbler. As you can see, is 288 millimeters. And the corresponding area that you should put your honeycomb in the machine should be gamma. If you don't have the riser base, you can also use our wooden riser, gamma. Now we're gonna put the tumbler onto the RA2 Pro. You can manually adjust the tightness. And you can also use a key to make sure that it's tightened up. All right, there you go. So first of all, let's open the lid and we're gonna put our RA2 Pro inside the machine, okay? Make sure the RA2 Pro is parallel to with your machine. Now we're gonna connect the cable with the RA2 Pro. Plug in the RA2 Pro cable and tighten it up. And turn on the power. The laser light is matching the highest level of the surface of your object. And now we're going to close our lid and use the USB to connect our laptop with our machine. Now we're going to go to our XCS software. So first you want to open our XCS software. You want to go to Project. And then you can see these things right here, which is our Tumbler file. Open it up and hit Start Project. First, you want to make sure that your M1 machine is connected with the laptop. And then, make sure that you choose the laser cylindrical mode. And then the next very important step is auto measuring, okay? So we're gonna auto measure right now. Okay, the auto measure is complete. So if your auto measuring failed, that might be of two reasons. First, that your machine is very close to the window and the sunlight heading directly to the machine. The bright light will cause the failure of auto measurement. That's the first reason. And the second reason, it might be the height exit the dictation range of the machine. And in that case, you might want to adjust the height of your object. You want to make sure that you choose the charc mode. And the next step is you want to adjust the parameters, okay? We're gonna use the measurement that we got earlier, which is 288 millimeters. So right now, you want to choose your pictures right here. So this is the bottom area, right? And this is the top area of your object. You want to make sure the direction of your picture matches with the direction of your object. And then we're gonna choose the power to 90% and the speed at 100 millimeters per second. So if you didn't get your desired engraving results, you might want to increase your power or lower your speed. So right now, we're gonna hit Process, and we're gonna go to Framing. So we can hit Start. So you can see if actually the framing area is the desired engraving area. I think that's good. Now we're gonna hit Framing Complete. And we're gonna actually start to engrave our project. Wow, our tumbler is finished. Now let's check out the final result. So here's the final results. As you can see, it's very clean and beautiful. But if you want to see the original color of the stainless steel, you can either increase the power or lower the speed. So right now, we're gonna take it off. We're gonna use the key to loosen things up. And now we can manually adjust this. And there you have it. So we've made a very unique tumbler, and you can send this to your loved one, like your family and your friends. And also with the addition of RA2 Pro, you can engrave a lot of projects like baseball or rain. And that's it for today's how-to video. Don't forget to like and share our video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and turn on notification. And also, join our Facebook group. I'll see you on the next one. Ciao, ciao!